friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the PUBG gameplay test in the POCO X3 device. So right now, I won't be using any kind of GFX tool. So these are settings actually you will be getting with the phone itself by default. So these are one of the most requested video. What is the default settings you can actually play the PUBG gameplay in the POCO X3 smartphone. So as you can see, friends, right now I'm using the POCO X3 device. So as you can clearly see, POCO X3. So right now let me try to open the PUBG gameplay here, and I did not install any kind of a GFX tool. As a proof, let me try to even type. As you can see, friends, so there is no GFX tool application installed at the moment. So first I want to make a video by using the default settings. So then later on I decided to download the GFX tool settings and use the HDR and extreme settings and try with the 90 FPS whether it will support in the POCO X3 or not. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, and also do comment below what are the different videos you want me to upload. So definitely if I find some time, I'll try to upload a video which you requested. So even I'm planning to do videos on whether the phone will actually support the 120 FPS gaming or not. So make sure to follow me as well. I'll try to upload the video as soon as possible. As you can see, friends, this is the default settings you can actually play in the POCO X3 smartphone. You can clearly see. So with the smooth and ultra settings only. So unfortunately, most of the mid-range segments, we do have this kind of option only letting us down using the smooth and ultra settings only. So we don't have the extreme kind of settings. So because of this reason, you won't be able to reach the FPS to the maximum. So right now, if you play with this kind of settings, smooth and ultra, you will be only getting about 41 FPS. As you can see, friends. So it doesn't matter what graphic settings you use, you won't be able to reach 60 FPS. As you can see, so 41 FPS. So in every maximum aspect, you will be able to reach only the 41 is the maximum FPS you can reach in the POCO X3 device. These without using any kind of GFX tool. So maybe if you are using any kind of GFX tool, the results might be different in this phone. So this just an information to demonstrate that what is the default graphics you can actually play in the POCO X3 device. So there is not any gaming review or anything. So just to give a clear idea that these are default settings you can actually play. So because few of the users, they won't be using the GFX tool because of they're getting their account may get banned. So that's why this is another must know option that what is the default settings you can play in this device. As you can see, friends, this is a most important thing, and here is a video for you all. And in the next upcoming video, I'll use the HDR and extreme settings using the GFX tool, and I'll try what is the FPS you can get while playing the game. So right now, if you notice, you can get up to 41 FPS clearly without any problem. So let me try to increase the brightness. So 41 FPS, 40 FPS you can see here. So these are only the default settings FPS you can get. So in the next video, definitely I'll try to do the using the GFX tool, smooth and extreme. So make sure to follow my channel. I'll very soon I'll try to upload, friends, as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.